Hey everybody, this is Ken. I am back with another video. I've been wanting to do this video for a while, but I really never use car washes with the brushes or the bristles. It's pretty safe. Don't judge me on this. I wanted to do the video using car wash mode and why Tesla owners ask for it, right? So we're almost here. Well, it's actually turning in Lowe's parking lot. I'll probably stop before I go in just to show you all the features and what it does. If you're wondering what version of Full Self-Driving Supervised that I'm using, it's 12.5.4. It's what I'm using. The car wash is right ahead. So what I'll do is probably park, and actually I'll have it self-park here so we can just go through it really quick. There's a person right there walking, so I don't know. Okay, yeah, he's at that vehicle. Never noticed it says the max to auto park is 6 miles per hour. Kind of like, what do you call it, the smart summon feature. You know, before you get to the car wash or at the car wash, depending on how busy it is, you need to know what the heck you're doing. You're gonna go to service. Then I'm gonna go down some, then go to car wash mode. Car wash mode closes all windows, locks the charge port, disables windshield wipers, sentry mode, walkaway door locks, and parking sensor chimes. For automatic car washes with conveyor belts, the free roll option shifts to neutral and prevents the parking brake from automatically applying if you leave. Car wash mode will exit if the vehicle speed exceeds 10. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter it right now. I don't know if you've heard that, but it's the doors locking and everything. Why Tesla owners ask for it is because sometimes when you're in one of those high-powered car washes, sometimes the pressure is so much where it'll pop open the charge port door. You don't really need sentry mode on. It'll turn it off. The climate will go to recirculating. The front and trunk will be closed, so you won't by accident pop it open. And your parking assist chimes will be turned off, so you won't hear that. You can fold your mirrors like right here. But right here, enable free roll. It's disabled right now. It says press brake and shift to D to enable, which is drive. Let's go ahead and just get it washed. It'll stay on the screen long as I do not go over 10 miles per hour. If it does, it will close out. So you see how the guy is directing that person. I try to get it right the first time, but I'll sit here and wait. Did pretty good. I'm gonna just keep going up. And then when he tells me to stop, then I will enable free roll. Enable free roll. That's it. The car will take care of everything. You probably didn't hear it switch to neutral, but if someone forgot, if we didn't have this car wash mode, it would definitely probably damage the car, because the conveyor belt starts to move and you're in park, so the emergency braking probably will kick in, right? On the screen right here, it does show vehicle will remain in neutral and free rolling. Automatic shift to park. When exiting, vehicle disabled. Now this is the important part. There's a truck directly behind me. So it should give me the green light here shortly. And it did. Put it in drive, just like that. Then all you have to do is exit car wash mode. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is Ken. I'll see you in the next video.